Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add fixed background image in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, as my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page and this is our main container. So click on edit container. So we are going to add fixed background image and then on left side you see style. So click on it and then in style you see image. So first we are going to add image. So click on choose image. So you can select image and then click on select. Now background image added, and when we scroll down or scroll up, you don't see fixed effect. On left side you see background and then you see attachment default. Now you see fixed. So click on it. So when we scroll down, now you see background image is fixed, but you see content is moving. When we scroll up and scroll down, now you see. So in this way you can add fixed background image in Elementor WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.